Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a new notebook in Google Colab. To get started, open Google Colab in your web browser and make sure you are on the Welcome to Colab page. This is the main landing page where you can access recent notebooks, open existing files, or create something new. If you are already signed into your Google account, Colab should load normally and be ready to use right away. Once you are on the Welcome to Colab screen, direct your attention to the top left area of the page. Along the top menu bar, you will see an option labeled File. This menu contains several actions related to creating, opening, and managing notebooks. Click on File to open the drop-down menu. After the File menu appears, look through the available options until you find New Notebook in Drive. Click that option to begin creating a brand new notebook. When you select it, Google Colab will open a fresh notebook for you automatically. This new notebook is typically saved to your Google Drive, which makes it easy to access later from any device where you are signed in. That is one of the biggest advantages of using Colab. Your work is stored in the cloud, so you do not have to worry as much about managing local files manually. Once the notebook opens, you are ready to start working with code, text, or data right inside the notebook interface. You can rename the notebook later if needed, especially if you want to keep your projects organized and easier to find in Drive. If the new notebook does not appear right away, give the page a moment to load, since browser speed or internet connection can sometimes affect how quickly Colab responds. It can also help to confirm that pop-ups or browser settings are not interfering with the page, and that is all it takes to create a new notebook in Google Colab. Open the Welcome to Colab page, click File, and then choose New Notebook in Drive. After that, your blank notebook will be created and ready for use. This is a simple first step for anyone getting started with Python, data science, machine learning, or general experimentation in a cloud-based notebook environment.